Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by opening Photos app. After that, tap on one of your folders, in my case screenshot, and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, in my case this one. In order to select all of them, click on this dot at the top left corner. As you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. Now to delete them, click on this bin next to shopping cart at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!